video, I'm going to share with you how you can reset your Tapo C520 VS. So when it was just like rotated like this, here you're going to have a part. And what you have to do is like pretty simple. You can have this button here. Do you see that? This like the white, that there. And you need to do something small to hold and press it for like, I don't know what, 10 seconds. And you just have to something like a pinhole or paper clip, Just press and hold it. I'm like MacGyver with this thing. I don't even know what that is. Yeah, you're just gonna press and hold it for like 10 seconds and it should reset. So that's pretty much it. And I hope this video helped you at least a little bit on how we can reset in this camera. So we're just gonna press and hold this button for about 10 seconds. It should make some voice there and also change the lighting, and that's it. Hmm. See? Now it's red. Now we're just gonna, it's rebooting camera, it's going to say. And now it's going to say the please wait, and you got it. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. You're just gonna wait until it's going to reboot. You're just gonna take it out when it's going to say that a reset was successful.